J&D was founded by a couple farm kids who loved farming, and we've taken that passion and we've grown that.
Never had a dream that would be this large. The farmers today are just growing larger and larger. We keep advancing our product line to fit their needs. The farmer realized that the more ventilation he could offer, the more milk he was going to get.
J&D Manufacturing provides a full line of ventilation products, anywhere from exhaust fans, circulation fans, portable cooling, human cooling systems as well.
J&D has really been able to adapt to the change in the manufacturing of a fan. We know exactly what our fans put out for performance.
We have ventilation experts here at J&D, from the engineers who work hard every day creating energy efficient products, to our sales team who are experts in the field who base all of their decisions on science. Our ventilation experts work with every producer and reseller to have a custom tailored solution for them based on their needs.
What I like the most about working with J&D is the quality of the products and the support I get with those products. They helped with the design of the tunnel vent barn, and they help oversee the installation of it, and they help with the configuration of the computers.
What excites me the most about the future of farming is to see how our innovative products have been adopted into the market. Family farms were hundreds of cows, and now we're seeing barns full of 10,000 cows or more. So it's going to be exciting to see where our innovative products go and help the farmers. I think one thing that sets J&D apart from the farming industry is just being a U.S. manufacturer with quick lead times and heavy inventory. They know that J&D will have the product when they need it.
We have the product today that the farmer wants this year. What does the farmer want 2 years from now? And that's where our focus is.